Good day guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how I make a knife from an old file. As you can see, I've already started making the metal softer by throwing it in the fire and let it cool off with the fire as the fire is dying. So I found this method of de-hardening, as you can say, works the best for me. It makes the metal workable, soft but not too soft, and easy to temper the steel once you're finished. So yeah, I will try and show you guys how I make knives, and let's hope it's a big success. This is my first video on how to make a knife. I think it's going to be a bird knife, a small straight edge pocket knife, or a, not sort of pocket knife, but an everyday carry knife. You can do multi-purpose work with. So let's try. So the first thing, this is my file. As you can see, it's not a very long file, but I think it will be sufficient for what I want to do. So what you want to do is find out how long your handle must be. I've got quite a few big claws on mine, but that's besides the point. We must, yeah, I think if I already pre-marked it, there's the white mark. So this is just an indication for me where my handles should start. So now I'm gonna prep the steel, get it smooth, so I can start working with it. For this, I'm going to use a P100 belt. It's not too, the grit is not too coarse. So yeah, let's take it from here. It's a auto grinder I made myself. I've made one knife so far. Not finished with it, but I believe I will finish it in the short future. Just tensioning my belt. Not that fancy machine like this one you buy, but it do the same job. So let's get busy.